I was always different, yeah. I had some things to do. I was chasing these riches instead of these bitches. See, I ain't the same as you. I was always different, yeah. I made a change or two. Hit it with.
Under the truck without so it don't be strained and stuff.
Yeah, it's starting to get old now. I gotta. I hope it ain't nothing serious. I hope it's just a diesel, but I had enough diesel on the strip. Hopefully I didn't. Get back on the road tonight. But we shall see. I'm in the wrong business. I'm gonna give me a service truck. Go put gas in folks' trucks. In the top, in the little air hose. So, get right in the top. Welcome to the day in the life of a trucker without his truck. Truck been in the shop about a week now, so I've been chilling. So let's see what I do when I ain't working, which is absolutely nothing. I ain't doing nothing. Not a damn thing. So, kick back, strap on your seatbelts. You know, watch what I do. But yeah, truck be down a week. It's probably a fume problem. I'm hoping so. We'll see. Hopefully get some news today, tomorrow, sometime. You know, got to get it going. Ready to get back on the road. Ain't making no money sitting here. So, yeah, I can see what I do when I ain't working. I need to clean up, but I ain't. Top of the morning, people. Monday. Truck's been in the shop one whole week. She's home chilling. That's what I've been doing. What she doing this. She bored. But me, what I've been doing all day. Sitting on the couch. Watching comedies, Halloween movies. Vlogging from the house today, y'all. Vlogging from the house. Trying not to get it in the video, honey. Down on my spirit.
I got the goddamn diamond. Let me get that up out. You don't need that out, G. Give me the gun. I know you don't want to go to jail in Mexico. Nobody want to go to jail in Mexico. Where they put all kind of burritos in your ass.
Why you do this?
Scared. No, listen. I know this man 13 years of my life. And I've never seen him look at nobody the way he looks at. I've never heard him talk about anybody the way he talks about you. Look.
Stinky diaper.
Let me get at you.
He's taking it out.
Okay.
I know I should be chill, but like...
You wanna come change his diaper?
I should make sure that's
Please.
That could be slim out there trying to go. Y'all got jokes.
You stink.
Please take this man out his Bentley before I have to. Oh, it's on.
Dude about 5 minutes tall on the road. And her daddy, he trying to marry his daughter. I mean, you don't want to kill him before the wedding. Turn back the hand. I need a haircut.
Which is why I'm going to satisfy her as only someone who knows her can. Safe, reliable. We can do anything together.
Great.
What a wonderful two individuals come together as one.
My latest inspiration.
You give this woman to this man.
Yeah, they don't look that bad. I mean, they could be cleaned up, but they're not that bad.
Yeah, look better off of your face pair. A few more of those, you can paint some Air Force Ones. What are my colors? I do like them.
That ain't even Reggie's MO. Not even a little bit. So I know something is going down. I can feel it.
The next time the cops get you, they got you. I'm not coming down here, period. You're on your own. You're too good for your own good. Oh, you're gonna get this one day. You're gonna end up back at that dog track, shoveling shit.
Thanks, Martinez. Love you too.
I'm hungry. You hungry too?
No.
Why you say I know then?
You're always hungry.
No, I'm not. Kale always hungry. I'm a grown ass
Hi,
man.
Zoogies. Hi, my man. You throw your eyebrow like me. Hi, man.
Hey, hold on while I go make him a bottle.
You and
Nap time.
Papa? You and Papa? Hello. Hi.
Oh, buddy, I almost got killed just a minute ago. This ain't book me anywhere around.
Had to fire my old Bobby. He was tripping, man. Moved to Murfreesboro. Came down here. Then said I ain't call him.
Maybe, you probably did.
I did call him twice. Matter of fact, probably 3 times. It don't matter. Process. Great.
Hey, leave him alone.
You know, guys, this is what perfection looks like.
You just stay there with him.
Me.
You want to play with him. You don't have to push him.
Brad's gotten a little better.
Boo!
Getting a little
Not
precise.
funny, Grayson. Chill.
My hair hard as hell.
You have to be
Brad, what the hell you put? You put some spritz on my head.
Grayson just thought it's funny.
Yeah, I can tell. Shit, what's that hard my hair is, baby?
I'm trying to teach him.
Modern day streets.
How what?
It's hard looking at your head, though, to be honest. I wish I was a bit uglier.
Yeah, don't bounce him so hard. Kale, if I have to ask you again, I'm going to ask you to get... Stop. You don't want to get kicked out of here, so stop.
You're getting in trouble on YouTube, Kev.
I don't want to ask you to go to your room.
Everybody on YouTube can see you getting in trouble. Yeah. Then you got on draws.
You guys will take it off because they're going to pull you down for him.
No, you're not.
John knew he ain't.
He ain't new. As long as we were in
Pull
some.
down on Facebook and TikTok. If there's even a glimpse of killing his underwear.
They gonna have to get me. Same old video, different day. Same old video, different day. See my face? Got a face mask on. Oh, missed the spot. Like a motherfucker. Anyways, talked to the place this morning. Pulling the truck in for diagnostics. So, see how that goes. Hopefully it's quick.
He's sensitive. I can do this for him.
I don't remember you asking.
And then I come to find out that you are happy to murder just for a different woman. Meanwhile, here I am doing it for you. A teenager, someone innocent.
Yeah, right. He's just a kid who you were having an affair
I had
with.
so much fun peeling that off.
We can do this if you are willing to admit you have not been perfectly happy either.
What are you watching?
We have both
On the TV.
made mistakes.
On your phone.
You.
Huh?
The show is called
I
You.
have made some
Me?
big ones. I'm sorry, love.
You who?
I wanted to hurt you. I tried to make everything trust you.
I'm you. That's me. What? Nigga, what you talking about? What's your name? Are you ready? Well, day life of a trucker without a truck. Stuff I get to do when I ain't on the road. It's still wet like I'm not. Bro, leave my phone alone.
Wow, life is hard.
Now you don't want to mess with it.
Just remember to keep your genitals out of harm's way.
As the day
So I
winds
tried crab
down,
legs for the first time and it was so good. I never stopped eating them.
almost dinner time.
Oh, shit.
No more news on the truck, so call back in the morning. So they're talking about. Hopefully, it was something quick. We can get it done. Get back on the road.
I don't have a hot watch niggas cook, but I need to learn.
Cooking easy, bro.
I don't know how to like cook chicken and shit. I'm not a cook.
What you say?
Kari and they're talking nonsense.
You know,
Did
at
you
one
say you
point,
don't like seafood?
man, at one point I didn't know you was really supposed to wash that chicken. Man, I feel like you throw that bitch in.
Well, as I can see, dark end of Tuesday. Leaving Walmart. Gonna wrap this video up though. Probably start another one tomorrow. Be more interesting. Just showing you how boring it is when you're working.
That's all, folks.